Come on. Let me show you something interesting.
Today, let's take a closer look inside the company. Wow. Wow. That is very impressive. There is a classic line in the movie Wall Street, "Greed is good." But is greed actually good? Opinions may vary. In China, Gree, although differing by only one letter, is widely considered very good. This industrial manufacturing giant, boasting 48 technologies recognized as internationally leading. Hello, I've heard that there's a famous slogan in China that great air conditioners are made by Gree. What makes Gree's air conditioners so well efficient?
I draw two keywords, and the first is good quality, and the second is core technology. We established the labs for our compressors and motors, as well as our capacitors, which are all core components in our air conditioners. Yes. So this is the triple cylinder two-stage compressors, which is designed and manufactured by our company. Our compressors can work actually 100% of heating capacity, even the temperature reduced to minus 25 degrees Celsius.
Wow.
So like in your country,
It wouldn't have problems, yes.
Works very smooth.
Wow, very nice. Do you have anything in the Gree that incorporates AI in your product?
Actually, all of those air conditioners, they are equipped with air functions and can be controlled by your voice. And this one, this is the painting era. Actually, that is the combination of the television and as well as the air conditioners. You can feel the warmness from here. You can feel the warm winter.
划时代，
是呢，
我帅吗？
当然了，谁敢说你不帅？
Now I will show you our flower refrigerator, and you can see the flower put into it since the middle of February. That is almost 20 days. I will show you this. This is liquid, right? And just hold it, shake it.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
You can see it turn to ice.
Wow, that is very impressive.
那这个是什么机器啊？
这是我们的叠层式智能光储机。那么它是一个储能设备，像我们屋顶的光伏发电，然后优先给我们的光伏空调进行使用。那么多余的电量我们可以存入我们这套储能设备中。那么在不同的天气状况下，那么我们通过这套能碳管理系统，可以对我们整个能源进行一个智能的一个调度，去实现我们最终的一个宏伟的目标：奋力零碳中国。
去年这样的一个大环境下能取得这样好的成绩，确实是非常了不起。在创新上，应该说走出了一条路。我们要有信心，相信2025年会更好。
我们这么多年一直坚持让世界爱上中国造，那这句口号不是一句口号，它是一个行动。你要做世界最好的技术，你有别人没有啊，这就是竞争力啊！还是用技术，用最先进的技术，创造别人没有的技术，来去赢得世界对你的尊重。
After today, I can definitely say that Gree is good. In this sense of responsibility is what develops the manufacturing of Gree and allows ordinary people to benefit from its appliances.